When we're looking at a medical malpractice case and the potential for bringing the claim, the first thing we do after meeting with the client is obtain all the medical records and information. And we review that to make sure we have an understanding of the issues. We get research, and most often we'll consult with an expert who is familiar with the issues so that we are sure that we have a grasp on the issues. And when we know we do, we file the case. Now, in Indiana, the procedure is a little different than other states. In Indiana, before you can file a case in court, you have to file it with the Indiana Department of Insurance as long as the individuals involved are what's called qualified providers under the Act, which the vast majority of providers are. The filing of that triggers a certain procedure, and attorneys get involved on both sides. They exchange requests for information, and they also start selecting a medical review panel. That makes these kind of cases different than any other kind of cases in Indiana. The medical review panel has to review the claim before it can be filed in court. The parties submit evidence to this panel. The panel consists of a panel chair who oversees the process and 3 healthcare professionals who have some degree of familiarity with the issues. After they review the evidence, they convene and they issue an opinion on whether they believe, in their opinion, there was malpractice or not. When the panel issues its opinion, it's a written opinion that simply says, we believe there was malpractice or we don't believe there was malpractice, and it may also find whether the malpractice caused injury. Once that panel has issued its opinion, then we can file the case in court. The panel opinion is admissible in any court proceedings. If the panel found in favor of the physician, in order to keep the case in court, it is necessary for us to come forward with testimony from a qualified expert who can explain how the standard of care was violated and how it caused harm to the patient.